color-coded graph of my Dibble scores with that population. As you can see, we had the best literacy coach, and she coded everything. The pink, we were in trouble, okay? And then the yellow was the progress monitoring, progress monitoring, and then the blue, we were okay. But you can see that 13, beginning of the year, went to a 62. The 0 went to a 59. This 20 went to a 59, and you can see all they had to do was get to a 36 plus to hit blue. Progress monitoring pretty much went out the window. Nonsense word. But y'all, you're nailing Dibbles when you're doing your flashcards. I can't think now. I'm rattled now, so I'm not going to think about. But yeah, you're practicing Dibbles. You know, you're teaching them how to decode nonsense words. Look, we went from a 0 to a 101. We went from a 4 to a 77, a 0 to an 89, a 12 to a 63, a 6 to a 32, a 12, and he wasn't there. Now this little right here, that's a whole other 2 hours. I had him again in for a second time in first grade, and that child was reading like crazy by the end of the year. Look at the oral reading fluency. I got to tell you something. And maybe, I don't know, some of you might not agree with me, but I attribute this. Look at the kids started out mid-year. Nobody was lower than benchmark because they already had the strategies and the skills to not be flailing when it came, to oral reading fluency time. 17 went to a 67, 18 to a 56, 19 to 55, 21 to 50. Look at that. And all you had to do here was a 31, or wait, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, 31 at the beginning of the year, and then 54 plus at the end of the year. I mean, it just works. There's just no other way to say it. And if my principal is having me turn these into him, he's gonna go, what's going on?